Hey everybody, it's day one of ASCO 2026. We're at our offsite studios in Chicago getting ready for some really exciting filmings across the MGH Oncology COE. So we're getting ready for an OncLive peer exchange filming coming up in lung cancer. So we've had the privilege of being able to chat with some of the panelists that are going to be participating in that panel. We asked them some really fun questions to get them all amped up for this year's meeting. So check them out now.
Ever come up to a podium would probably be thunderstruck by ACDs, just to get the juices going and get the crowd going. So,
well, and then part of that, and we probably would like something soccer related as the World Cup is coming. So we are the champion from the States.
It's your walk-up song. Eye of the Tiger by Survivor.
I mean, I've got to make it not a buzzkill when we're describing this, but what I say is that I have this job that I toggle between taking care of lung cancer patients, but I also have a job of trying to deliver new therapies to patients that are not otherwise get, and trying to push the needle forward with advancing the science and the field of lung cancer. I mean, I have an administrative hat as well, and that can be a little bit boring. But I also will say that I have a job making sure that everyone is doing what they need to do in our program, and setting metrics and keeping the needle moving.
You're going to ask how to explain ASCO, and I would say this is our Super Bowl. At Super Bowl, you may get about 65,000 people coming watching the game. We get maybe 45,000 people in the year. But an oncologist is a specialist that has for training in general medicine, which is kind of like pediatrician for adults. And you do a subspecialty in cancer.
Explain it is that I am a physician, and they'll usually say, what kind of physician? And I always say cancer doctor, never oncologist, because I either get like weird stares or somebody knows and I've insulted them that I haven't used the actual term. But I talk about being a lymphoma doctor, and I talk about the immune system, and I say, we have those cells that float around our bodies that fight off infection. I said, so I study those cells when the brake is off and they're growing out of control.
ASCOs are probably our favorite meetings of the year, but it's also a marathon. To say one, let's show with our energy and enthusiasm, as we know, I was away from this conference feeling invigorated, but all the new ideas, all the new possibilities, and all our hopes for the future. I think it's the first thing you want to bring for the entire conference. But past that, I think we could tear flat and approach the environment.
Yes, I always keep with me an Italian something. Yes, I'm from Italy.
One, comfy shoes, but that's a no-brainer. I don't dress for style anymore at these conferences, but it's food because it's non-stop. Going to the bathroom is even up in the air. So if I can have a survival kit full of water for hydration and snacks. And I mean like protein-based snacks. I'm all about the food. I don't care about anything else, but food and water, that is survival.